Between me and him, who looks better?
Oh, damn. Oh, damn, I'm finna fuck her.
Hey, nigga, you's a bitch. Come and get your groupie. Get them on my comments. Man, these niggas goofy. You sound like made in Tokyo. Niggas shoot me. Never took a Uber. Always had a J.
What's up, YouTube? What's up, Supreme Squad? And it's your boy, Yvng Fredo. You know what I'm saying, man? I'm back with
kelsowavyy right here. You know, nonchalant boy right here.
So, anyways, what we gonna do today is a monkey vid. You already read the title, you know which one we gonna do. Who looks better between me and him? Comment down below who y'all think is gonna win. Now, I personally think it's gonna be me.
What is that?
Anyways, yeah, so what I need y'all to do is like, share, and subscribe. If you are new, hit the bell for the notification so you get a notification every time I post. You know what I'm saying? Let's get this video started, man. Hey!
That's true.
As you can't see. Bro, these niggas,
It's
they still. I can't even talk.
Let me see the phone. Let me see the phone.
They can't even see.
They can't see. Hello? Hello? What's up? We got one quick question.
Wait, hold on, let me. Alright, it's my question. Alright, what's good? Alright, so between me and him, who look I forgot you gotta add Tom.
You dumbass, ugly ass, stupid ass nigga. How you don't even know how to use monkey? You're doing a monkey video and you don't even know how to use it. You're such an idiot.
I have to see both of your faces first.
I don't even be on monkey. It's the first time being on monkey since I dropped that last video.
Come about.
Can we get a she-bell?
What?
Hey yo, show your face real quick.
Hello? I heard a bunch of dolls in the background. Real quick, hey.
Bro, she sounded like she was fixing a TV.
Hello?
Oh my god.
Oh hell no. I'm loyal to my girlfriend. I have a girlfriend.
Yeah. Alright.
Hey, anyways, let me see this bullshit. Add this time real quick. Hey yo, add time.
Dumbass motherfucker.
Who looks better, me or him?
Alright, let me stop playing. Alright.
Wait, let me look at the other nigga.
Me or him?
I don't know, y'all both look good.
But you gotta pick one though. That's the thing. You know what I'm saying? What the fuck?
Yo! What up? Hey, one more time real quick.
Hey yo, I got a quick question. Between me and him, who look better?
Oh, hell no! Oh, screen record, got it.
No. No.
You can put on the skips too. No. And then zoom in on the skip.
Yeah, nigga stay in Greece, bro.
Huh?
Y'all stay in Greece, bro.
Between me and him, who looks better?
Let me decide. You?
You said me?
Yeah. Can I see? Okay. Hey.
Oh.
Howdy. Howdy.
Please trust daddy.
Ooh, damn, I'm finna fuck her.
P.S. Your boyfriend.
Between me and him, who looks better?
I can't believe you see that. Let me see the face. Let me see both of them. Who looks better to me or him? Neither one of y'all.
Let's be for real, bitch. Stop playing on me, push that.
Damn, that's crazy. Let me see what you look like. The one that said neither one. Alright, let me get this straight. She look like a damn squirrel.
I'm gonna be honest, she probably built like a Timberland boot anyway.
If you know how I feel, why would you say that? Like, you put me in such an uncomfortable situation.
Not to see you again.
Me?
Wait, in the hoodie?
You said me. You said me.
Yeah. You more my type.
You said what?
You more my type.
You hear that?
Incredible.
Alright, add me as a friend. Alright, appreciate it. Peace down.
Stop playing.
What's up?
Those boys not letting us.
What's up?
She said you got chicken.
Chicken?
Yeah, you know around.
Hey, but shut the fuck up and suck this big thing.
Oh. Ouch.
You hang with Chief Keef and them. You a blood on phone them, on gang and all that. On gang and all that. What the fuck wrong with you, nigga? Shut the fuck up, nigga. I swear to God. Yo, bro, your ceiling is beautiful as fuck.
The one that's pink.
Add the time real quick, please.
Listen.
Hey, add us on YouTube though.
I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't know YouTube.
Mine's kelsowavyy is K. Georgia. Oh, hold
Alright,
up.
just
Hold on, watch
one
out.
more.
Georgia. What's up?
I got a question.
What? Add more time.
It's not funny and big, bro.
I ain't gonna wait. Hold on.
I ain't gonna lie to you.
I ain't gonna lie to you. That thing big as hell. Who looks better? You know what I'm saying? Alright, hold on. I'm done. Me? Wait, him?
Him.
Is they talking about you?
I reckon so.
Wait, you said him in the pink, right?
Yes, yes.
Well,
I'm peacing out. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. We got roasted. I don't even know who won. I think he won, actually. I actually don't care. It was all for entertainment, you know what I'm saying? So, if you enjoyed the video and you want a part 2, like and share and subscribe to the videos, you know what I'm saying? Just like it, comment, and subscribe. Do whatever you need to do. Share with your friends, family, whatever you want to do. You know what I'm saying? So, and then add me on my social medias. You dig what I'm saying? And I'll see y'all in the next video.
I like my jacket and shit. Super what they got rid of that activist shit. I don't like watching, but I might throw a stack on my wrist. Hit the strip club, throw a stack real icy. Gleam might be changing anything on the back of that bitch. Yeah, I got racks on the list. Got caught with a stick, me turn to a snitch.